Hey there! Today I am making a quick refrigerator pickle. I will make some more that are canned and processed probably next week, but I wanted to show you how you can do it if you just have a few cucumbers that are ready and you want to make some pickles. So here I sliced the pickles, cucumbers, and the onions, covered them with kosher salt, then I put ice over them in the refrigerator overnight. You will find the recipe in the description of the video. Put all the ingredients into a pan to low boil, then pour over your pickles that you have placed tightly in the jar. This will last up to 3 months. Wait about 2 weeks before you eat your pickles. That way it has time to flavor. Way it's not so vinegary. This is Sandy from A Good Life Homestead. Thank you for joining me for this quick video on refrigerator pickles. I'll see you next time when I'm cooking in the kitchen or growing in the garden.